During Zoom's recent first quarter results presentation, they gave valuable insights into the ongoing adoption of its AI-powered features and expansion of high-value offerings. CEO Eric Yuan highlighted the rising popularity of Zoom AI Companion, citing a significant increase in monthly active users, and noted customer wins, such as Raymond James and the Boston Celtics upgrading to broader platform solutions. The company also saw notable traction in its customer experience segment, with substantial growth in contact center customers and upsell momentum for the virtual agent. Management expects ongoing adoption of custom AI Companion, new offerings for frontline and clinician workers, and continued channel partner expansion to support growth. However, they acknowledge some elongation in enterprise deal cycles, particularly in large U.S. enterprise deals, which faced extended negotiations and heightened scrutiny. Zoom's results were attributed to expanding AI capabilities and increased product integration, with management citing specific use cases, such as Raymond James rolling out AI Companion meeting summaries as evidence of practical value driving customer engagement. The company also reported growth in Zoom Phone, outpacing industry averages, and stability in the online segment, benefiting from a modest price increase paired with enhanced product value. The company's outlook focuses on accelerating AI-driven product adoption and navigating a cautious enterprise environment as macroeconomic pressures persist. Zoom expects further growth from custom AI Companion, frontline worker solutions, and clinician-focused offerings, and believes these products will broaden its addressable market. Management emphasized that enhancements to partner systems are shortening sales cycles and increasing channel influence, particularly for contact center and phone products. In the coming quarters, the key indicators of Zoom's ability to meet its updated guidance will be adoption rates and monetization progress for custom AI Companion and other AI-driven offerings, the pace of enterprise deal closures, and expansion of channel-led sales. Execution on international growth and continued customer retention in the online segment will also be crucial. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.